In this video, we're going to talk about styling and layout settings for InstaTheme. The InstaTheme styling and layout settings is where you can customize the overall look and feel of your website. The options are quite simple and pretty straightforward, so that you can configure it yourself without the need to know any advanced coding knowledge. For CSS experts, there is a field specially designed for you so you can enter in custom CSS styles to further enhance your site's overall look. In order to access the InstaTheme styling and layout settings, you want to log into the back end of your WordPress website. Then you want to go to the left navigation bar and click on the InstaTheme button. Once you've clicked on the InstaTheme button, it takes you straight to the general settings page. So you want to go to the navigation tab in InstaTheme and click on the styling and layout button. The first section is the theme design. Currently, InstaTheme offers 4 unique pre-made and responsive templates that you can choose from. You have 2 full width, which are the Insta Beauty and the Insta Glow, and this is full width, which means that it takes up the entire screen. Then you have 2 non-full width, which are the Insta Spark and Insta Bright. The non-full width means that it does not take up the entire page, and this is an example. The next section is the theme color. You can choose from one of the preset colors, or you can use the color picker to select the color of your choice. Please don't use light colors since the text is also white. Then you have the header background color. A color picker is also provided so that you can choose your own preference for your header background. Header background image. This field can be filled in with the URL where your background image is stored, or you can use the upload button to upload an image from your local computer or media library. Header font color. This allows you to select the color for your site title and description. Footer background color. You can choose from various colors available by using the color picker for the background that will be applied to your footer. Footer font color. This is where you select the color for the text that would be displayed in the footer of your website. Content background color. There are 7 color schemes that are carefully chosen to go well with your content without compromising the readability of your text once applied. However, if you don't like any of the pre-selected color schemes, you can use the color picker provided here to choose your own color of preference. Sidebar position. The drop-down offers you 3 choices in relation to your sidebar position. You have the left, which is selected by default and basically displays the sidebar on the left portion of your website. Then you have the right option, which displays your sidebar on the right side. And the last option is none, in which you would select if you don't want to use any sidebars at all. Sidebar background color. You can use the color picker here to select what color you want the background of your sidebar to be. Next, you have your button color. Currently, there are 7 pre-made color schemes available for you to choose whenever a button is used on your website. For example, if you had a contact form. Text link color settings. You can select the color from the color picker for all of your text links. The default color is 0088cc. Another color picker can be found directly below it, and this is intended for the text link color every time you hover your mouse to a link. The default color for this is 005580. Custom CSS. The last field of the styling and layout page is the custom CSS, where users with the knowledge of CSS would like to add their own styles or edit specific styles. The custom CSS field is pretty useful in a way that any entry you add will be saved no matter how many times the theme is updated, unlike having the CSS coded directly from the main style sheet of the theme. Once you're done with the setting up of the layout and style of your website, don't forget to click Save All Changes to update the changes you've made. However, if you're unhappy with the results, you may click the Options Reset button to switch it back to the original default values. This concludes the tutorial for the styling and layout settings for InstaTheme.